x squared plus y squared is equal to 20, and y minus 14 is equal to negative x squared. So for this problem here, let's use both methods, the substitution and the elimination method. So let's start with the substitution. With the substitution method, pick one of the two equations and solve for one of the two variables. So here, because one of the equation, the first equation here, we have x squared and we have y squared. So if we solve for the x squared in the second equation, we can plug it into the first equation. So let's pick y minus 14 is equal to negative x squared and solve for x squared. So this is negative 1x squared to divide out the negative 1. So we have negative y plus 14 is equal to x squared. The second step is the other equation. X squared plus y squared is equal to 20. And the answer in part 1, put into part 2. So we have negative y plus 14 plus y squared is equal to 20. That is y squared minus y plus 14 is equal to 20. Get 0 on one side, so minus 20 over. So we have y squared minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Try and factor this. So we need two numbers that multiply give us negative 6. Add give us negative 1. So this here is negative 3 and positive 2. So we have y minus 3 times y plus 2 is equal to 0. Set each group equal to 0 and solve. So y minus 3 is equal to 0. Add 3 over, so y is 3. Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 over, so y is negative 2. So the next step is the answer in part 2. We need to put it into part 1. So part 1, we have x squared is equal to negative y plus 14. Let's start with y equal to 3. So we have negative 3 plus 14. This is equal to x squared. So x squared is equal to 11. Take the square root on both sides. So x is equal to plus minus square root of 11. So there are two answers here. The y value is 3. The x value, one of them is the square root of 11. The other one is negative square root of 11. Let's do for y is negative 2. So x squared is negative y plus 14. Y is negative 2, so negative 2 plus 14. So this is equal to x squared. So x squared is 2 plus 14. So x squared is equal to 16. Take the square root on both sides. So x is plus minus 4. So there are two answers here. The y value is negative 2. The x value, one is 4, the other one is negative 4. So there are 4 answers altogether. The elimination method. So with the elimination method, we need to rearrange this x with the x, y with the y, number with the number. So x and y to one side, number to the other side. So here, y minus 14 is equal to negative x squared. So if we minus the y over, we have negative 14 is equal to negative x squared minus y. So here, our problem becomes x squared plus y squared is equal to 20. And we have negative x squared minus y is equal to negative 14. So this is what we have. If we look at it, we can eliminate the x squared. So here, x squared cancel out. So we have y squared minus y is equal to 20 minus 14. So this gives us 6. Get 0 on one side, so minus the 6 over. So we have y squared minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Factor, so two numbers multiply give us negative 6, but add give us negative 1. So we have 2 and negative 3. So y plus 2 times y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let each group equal to 0 and solve. So y plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus the 2 over, so y is negative 2. And y minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 over, so y is 3. So here we have two y values. So the next step is pick one of the two equations. So here, let's pick x squared plus y squared is equal to 20. Let's start with y is negative 2. So we have x squared plus negative 2 squared is equal to 20. So x squared plus 4 is equal to 20. Minus the 4 over. So x squared is 16. Take the square root on both sides. So x is plus minus 4. So there are two answers here. The y value is negative 2. The x value, one is 4. The other is negative 4. Now let's do the same for when y is 3. So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 20. So x squared plus y is 3, so 3 squared is equal to 20. So x squared plus 9 is equal to 20. Minus the 9 over. So x squared is 11. Take the square root on both sides. So x is plus minus square root of 11. So here there are two answers. The y value is 3. The x value we have a square root of 11 and a negative square root of 11. So there are 4 answers altogether.